Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Decorating your home in a cozy modern cottage style means blending the charm and warmth of traditional cottage decor with the clean lines and simplicity of modern design. Use exposed wood beams, hardwood floors, or reclaimed wood furniture. Layer cozy materials like wool, linen, cotton, and chunky knit throws. A stone fireplace or exposed brick walls adds rustic character. Use soft neutrals like cream, warm white, beige, and taupe. Accent with earthy tones, green sage, soft blues, and muted terracotta, and of course warm browns. Keep the palette warm and inviting, avoiding overly stark contrasts. Mix vintage-inspired pieces with modern lines. Choose plush, overstuffed seating and soft bedding. Use warm ambient lighting, lamps with fabric shades, as well as wall sconces and candles. Include woven baskets, antique finds, framed botanical prints, and handmade pottery. Add greenery with low-maintenance houseplants or dried flowers. Use matte black or brushed brass fixtures, sleek bar stools, and minimalist hardware. Details matter. Use light, airy curtains in linen or cotton in natural colors. Display meaningful items, family heirlooms, or travel mementos without overcrowding the shelves. Add calming corners with candles and books. Bring the outside in with plants, herbs in pots, or floral arrangements. Display personal items intentionally. Use baskets or vintage crates for hidden storage. And let the surfaces breathe. Cozy doesn't mean crowded. The modern cottage style remains on trend in 2025, though it has evolved slightly. This aesthetic continues to be popular because it combines cozy, lived-in charm with modern functionality, perfect for people who want warmth without sacrificing clean lines and simplicity. Modern cottage is still very much about creating a cozy, grounded home with character, but now with even more focus on quality, sustainability, and subtle elegance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.